Okay, let's solve this SAT math question. We are given two equations of two lines, and we are given that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. We know that the standard form of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, where this m is slope of the lines. And we also know that if there are two lines which are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slope, let's say the slope of first line is m1 and the slope of second line is m2, then the product of their slope must be equal to -1. So now from this equation we can see that the slope of first line is a by b. So according to the condition, these lines are perpendicular to each other, so a by b multiplied by d by e will be equal to -1. We are also given that a by b is in between 0 and 1. So any value in between 0 and 1 will be in points like 0.1, 0.5, etc. So that means this a by b is gonna replace with some value which is in between 0 and 1. So what we are gonna get is d divided by e is equal to -1 over any value which is in between 0 and 1. For our simplicity, we are taking this value 0.5. So after we solve this, we get a value which is of course less than -1. Why? Because we have -1 in the numerator, while we have a denominator which is higher in the value from as compared to -1. So it's gonna yield something that is less than -1. And of course option B, option A is gonna be the right option.